Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Carol here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets has multiple accounts, like 5 or 7 or even 10, but we're only using one to be a beginner. You just starting, you want to see if it works, so on and so forth. So I'm showing you the type of results you'll get just starting, you know what I mean? Just minimal effort, so to speak. Now, if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And let's get started. Okay, so first of all, let me speak on why I like promoting this particular product, the $25 business here. It's because it has 80% recurring commissions. 80% recurring commissions is astronomical. Now, don't get me wrong. The $25 business, the company that promotes the $25 business or made the $25 business have other products that they sell and promote as well when they get in the system. So such as other products, but they're not recurring, but it's still 80%. Any product you get 80%. If they spend $1, you get 80 cents. Like, you get it. Okay guys, just make sure I clarify that real quick. So anyway, that's the reason why I like promoting this product. The $25 biz promote 2 particular 80% recurring income. One is $20, that's the $25 business, and one that's HBA Premium, which teaches you how to promote products, which is $125 per month, and you get $100 of that. So you can get $120 off of each person in the system every month. All right, so learn that. All right, so first, what we're gonna do, guys, is look at our results here. We're going to refresh the page. Don't believe the results if we don't refresh the page. All right, guys. All right, guys. It looks like we did get a sale yesterday, or 2.
Nice.
We might have got 2 sales. I'm not sure, but I think we got a sale yesterday. Yeah, and or maybe it's a recurring. I don't know. I'm not entirely sure. I made money yesterday. Okay, that's all I can really tell you. So anyway, let's get to it, right? So the first thing you want to do if you're interested in following along, guys, there's a link in the description. Say step 1, take you to the $25 business. Now, once you click on that, it'll take you to this page here. Once you get to this page, you can look over what you want, what this all about. $25, how much money you can make, all that good stuff. You can scroll down, look and stuff, right? But as soon as you get finished, you just click on one of these green buttons here. There's a couple of them throughout the page here, so don't worry about where you stop it. Once you click on this, you'll get a video. The video will be about 1 minute long, explaining what's going on, what you're purchasing, and all that stuff. We're not trying to trick anybody. All right, so once you do that, it'll take you to a page that looks something like this right here. All right, don't worry about what's down here, but what's up here is what is important. All right, it'll take you to a page that looks something like this. Once you log in, do all the stuff you log in, right? So once you do that, you go to affiliate zone. Oh, I need to log in real quick. Hold up. Go to affiliate zone here, and all you need to do is sign up for the affiliate program. Once you sign up to the affiliate program, do all the stuff for that, you'll be taken to this page here. Log into the sound cart right here. You can log into sound cart. Once you got that sound card button, it'll take you to this page here. You won't have any money showing here, guys, because you're just not signed in. But this is where you get paid at and all that good stuff. So you get your link here. This is your link, all in one $25 business. Get your link here. Once you get your link, we go to My Lead Gen Secrets here. Click on that. Hold up. I think I messed up. Hold on. Refresh the page real quick. Okay, so we click all of these. We want all our leads here. You log into My Lead Gen Secrets. It's a very simple process. You put in, get your account. You'll get to a page like this. You click on mailing system. And then you click on all your leads. You should only have 100 leads, but it don't matter. You get more and more leads every single day. So I just go to my next email here. Look, I sent this already, right? I have not sent it. But anyway, we get this email here. Hit that in there. You can copy that email if you want to. Very easy to do. copy the email here. You just pause it and copy it. Alright guys, simple, very simple. Make sure you hit perfect time, make sure you hit preview. Now another way to get an email, guys, if you purchase if you do the 2-week free trial of the HBA Premium, you get 2 weeks free. Go over here, you can easily get your own emails here. You go to the HBA Premium right here, right? And you click on the Immersion Magic Content Machine. Click that, and you type in what you want. You want the of the all in color. Hit something like that, right? It should make an email that you could use for the system, and you can just constantly do this over and over again. Get different types of emails, multiple emails, bunch of emails. You can even ask for multiple emails. You can say 5 emails byte to byte, like a byte to byte, 5 a stream emails set up, right? Do something like that too. And once you do that, guys, that's all there is to it. That's a solid email right there. See that? Very nice email, easily explaining what you're getting and stuff, and it's very simple. So yeah, you can just do it like that, get your email like that, and that's all there is to it, guys. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to do this. Once you got a bunch of emails in the system, only take you like a minute a day to do this, and you make hundreds of dollars a week, month, maybe get to thousands of dollars. Maybe you don't even have to work anymore after all, period, you know, so you can get to that point. But anyway, guys, that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Links in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.